Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable show unlock transition effect on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone. And first of all, if you want to enable or disable show unlock transition effect, we need to go to our settings. So we can click on the settings icon and then we're going to go to the biometric setting. You can find the biometric setting here. Okay, this one guys, or actually you can simply click on the search menu and you can type in biometric. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, and this is the biometric setting. We need to open up the setting guys. All right, and then we're going to go to the biometrics again, and here you'll be able to enable the show unlock transition effect feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone. I have enabled this feature guys, so if I want to disable it, we just need to click on the circle button like this. Okay, and then I'm just going to activate it. Okay guys, and as you can see that this feature is active, and I'm going to show you how this feature works on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So guys, if you activate this feature, I mean this show unlock transition effect, if you activate this feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone, your phone screen will get like transition effect when you unlock your phone, but it will only works on the Samsung Galaxy phone, which has like fingerprint. I'm going to show you guys. If your fingerprints is on your screen, you will get effect like transition effect, but my fingerprint is not on my screen. My fingerprint sensor is on the power button, so I need to touch my power button to activate or to unlock my phone screen. The sensor, I mean the fingerprint sensor should be here, so you will get the transition effect when you unlock your phone. Okay guys, and that's all the way to enable or disable show unlock transition effect on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.